Right, g'day people, it's been over a year since I've posted anything to do with the car. It might have been white when I last posted it, which was over a year ago, and there's been a reason for that, and the plate sort of indicates a little bit of a reason behind that. So we muck around with side skirts and bits and bobs, but of course the biggest is the motor. So we've walked away from the 2.5 naturally aspirated RB motor, which had the ITBs adapted to it. We've gone away from that and we've grown another 2 cylinders. So this is the Nissan VH41 V8, which we've managed to fit into the hole with a lot of work, a lot of fabrication. Still got brakes to sort out at the moment, but managed to get the thing in there and get it going. So I'm just doing a quick vid. It's not completely finished. I've got my #1 crew mechanic sitting in the car, so we'll just kick this sucker in the guts. So that's the kicked in the guts. Jump in, give us some ribs. Start them young, eh? Something like that. So yeah, I'll keep you posted on how the rest of it goes. Cheers.